Lauren?
Yeah, we did have some heavy rain pouring right over downtown Atlanta, and that included Atlanta Stadium. Now the heavier rain is starting to shift its way toward the northeast, but this does not mean we're done for the day. This is just one of the rounds that we're continuing to monitor. So you can see we have one storm right over Gainesville. This is attached to a thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning polygon for Hall County. We're going to continue to watch for this through 6:30, and we have another polygon just south of this. This is going to be Oconee County. So all of these areas, especially with the heaviest downpours, you want to watch for that flooding risk. This is going to be Gainesville through Athens into Watkinsville. So with these storms, our biggest threats are going to be flooding. We're also looking for gusty winds and some straight line winds. We're looking for the possibility for a few spin up tornadoes as well. But with those winds, take a look at our power outages across the state. We have around 70,000 reported across Georgia. And as we take a look into a couple key counties, we're looking at Fulton and we're looking at DeKalb counties, nearly 1,000, upwards of 10, nearly 10,000, upwards of 10,000 in some areas. We're also looking for Gwinnett, 7,500, 5,000 in Henry County. So we're going to continue to watch for these power outages as well as that heavy rainfall. So because of it, we're looking for several inches of rain within within an hour or so as we continue to monitor all of these storms. Our biggest threats again are going to be spin up tornadoes, straight line damaging winds, and of course that widespread flooding. So with me, I have meteorologist Alex Forbes here that's going to dive deeper into the flooding possibilities we have out there.
That's right, Lauren. We've got a flood watch in effect for the next little while. Technically, it goes till 2 a.m. Saturday, but the reason we have it in place is the chance for flash flooding. And I want to talk about some specifics here for some different areas. Take a look at this. This is Metro Atlanta. Just 1.5 inches of rain in an hour would prompt flash flooding, or in 6 hours, about 3 inches of rain. Elsewhere across the state, northwest Georgia, your totals are going to be a bit higher in terms of that threshold, about 2 inches in an hour or 3.5 inches in 6 hours. So it's going to take a little more water up there. Slide this over into northeast Georgia. This is the spot where I'm probably least concerned about the flooding risk today, right? 2.5 inches in an hour. Yeah, that's a possibility, but it's not as likely as some of these other numbers we're looking at. The area I want to watch most closely is areas that's going to be south and west of the city, and also south and east of the city here. Just 2 inches of rain in an hour could prompt flash flooding. So Russ and Christine, this isn't the normal type of really isolated instances of flash flooding. This could happen in a number of locations, and we'll be tracking it through the evening hours tonight, particularly with thresholds as low as that.
All right, Alex and Lauren, thank you. We continue our Storm Alert Day coverage as the weather continues to move from west to east across North Georgia.
Fox 5's Larry Spruill is live in DeKalb County, where storms have already caused some damage there. Larry, where exactly are you and what are you seeing right now?
Good evening, Christine and Russ. We are on Candler Road here in DeKalb County, and as of right now, they have this area blocked off because of that tree that fell on top of that power line right there. And so you can see that they had this whole entire block of this area blocked off with the yellow police tape, and then the police cars are out here as well, not allowing anyone to even come remotely close to this area. If you can, I'll show you the traffic congestion here. As you can see right now, traffic is just at a standstill right at this intersection because they're not allowed to go any further than what they are. But as you can imagine, with rush hour traffic, that is causing a huge delay down Candler Road leading into Flat Shoals Parkway. You can see people turning around and going the separate way because they're no longer allowed to go in this area. So you mentioned our meteorologists both mentioned power outages in that area. So I am certain, as I looked into the map, Dave, if you can point to your left, you can see this lady right here. She's having trouble. Are you okay, ma'am? Are you stuck? We're going to try to see if we can maybe help her by something. But this is what this is causing. You know, all this is causing a huge traffic delay in this area. Like I said, that tree is down on that power line right there. So that's causing all of this. But we're going to continue to stay out here. I'm going to go see if I can actually help that lady right over here to see if she needs any help right now. But we're going to continue to stay out here and monitor this area. As of right now, we are live in DeKalb County on Candler Road. I'm Larry Spruill for Fox 5 News.
All right, you're a good man, Larry.